The sustainable mining of manganese is in focus.
Residents in the Nelson Mandela Bay Metro are concerned about the potential climate and health impact. Newzroom Afrika's Siphosethu Booi reports.
The largest manganese export harbour is in Gqeberha. However, bulk stores of manganese ore are still being kept in Magman and Swartkop's locations, with container trucks that have left the roads in a poor condition. The road conditions and the surrounding environmental impact caused by both the trucks and manganese dust have raised safety and health concerns from residents who live close to the warehouse.
It gives us chronic sinusitis, chronic problems with coughing and having, problems with breathing and that. There's also a community of coloured people in the area that have people that are very vulnerable at them, and I fear that those people are really going to suffer in this area if we end up having more manganese problems in this, or more manganese coming into the area where, for storage and that.
Though the manganese industry has created employment opportunities for residents, exposure to manganese can cause a range of health concerns.
The most important thing is if you're a worker that works in a factory or warehouse that handles manganese, it's important that you use a mask or a respirator so that you limit the exposure of particles that you actually inhale. For house people in the households in the vicinity of warehouses where manganese is housed, it's very important that the people leave their windows. They don't leave their windows open, so that you limit access to the manganese particles into your household, and also make it a point that you clean the surfaces to limit those particles that happen to land on those surfaces. And if you are going to cook, make sure that you wash, the food, fruit and the veggies, and also very important that you also at least take a bath once a day, so that you get rid of the manganese that could have been deposited on your skin.
Public Health Deputy Director Dr. Patrick Nodwele says the municipality has strict bylaws to enforce accountability for conditions that may contribute to manganese air pollution.
For facilities that trigger the 100,000 threshold, they need to apply for the bigger authorizations in terms of the atmospheric emission license. But for those who are handling less than that, there is a requirement for health certificates which are issued.
Residents are hopeful that a long-term solution that will benefit everyone will soon emerge. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Siphosethu Booi at Gqeberha.